They betting over it. Hold on, hold on.
But you never know. I'm gonna be really close.
Okay. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel. This is my channel right here. Look Out Racing. Y'all can check it out. One time for the one time.
You got the Tesla? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, they all been with the Tesla. If Funkertown was here, he'll bet they little ass.
Yeah, I bet the BMW.
Okay, yeah, Funkertown. If he was here, he'll bet him. And then be proud about it. Pop them little kids in the ass. That goddamn Funkertown. Hey, look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Y'all check it out. One time for the one time. Okay, there you go. Oh! Oh, he ain't catching it. Oh, left lane. Left lane. Tesla for the win, y'all. Tesla for the win. Tesla for the win. Look Out Credit Union. Okay. What is they betting? I got me some extra ones. I'm finna go ahead and I'm finna bet with them too. I'm finna bet with them, y'all. I got $8 to throw in the game. I'm gonna throw the $8 in the game, y'all. I'm gonna throw $8 in the game. I'm gonna pick the wrong car. I'm gonna pick the wrong car on purpose. I hope I can pick the wrong car. You know, I might get lucky, but I'm gonna bet they little ass. Yeah, they over there betting like it ain't nothing. All them kids be on Funkertown bus. Boy, oh snap! We on 21%. Oh, okay, we on good percentage. I forgot it closed at 12. I ain't been charging my battery up. Let me see. Oh, I could have got him on this one, y'all. Dang, I should have got him on this one. Cause I don't know which one to bet with on this one. Probably go with this black one since he got a name on his. He think he's somebody. Oh yeah, he done bought a pipe on that thing too. Okay, right lane for the win. Oh yeah, and he goosing the gas in that V6. Okay, y'all. I think Blackjack about to come back up here. I thought he was finna. Blackjack finna. Oh yeah, that's a good race to bet them kids right here. I'm finna put this $5 at it, 5 in the game. Let me go bet they little ass. Hey, all my TikTokers that's watching y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Hey, which one? Which one y'all picking? Which grade? Both of them grade. No, hold up. Where y'all at? I got $1. Who wanna bet? I got. Which one? Which side y'all got? I got. Which side? Both of them gray. No bet. Hey, left lane won. This side won. What this little baby got this much money for? They better them too. God. Sorry, they ain't tripping, man. Look, she having in a mug. She got paid off that. Yeah, you gonna win this one, right? Okay, he gonna win this one. He gonna win this one, y'all. Kid, yeah, man. Hey, y'all, bet blackjack don't make full pass. Y'all know what a full pass is? Yeah, a full pass, that means he gonna go all the way down the track. Okay. Yeah, okay. Do you think that it's gonna mess up by itself and he gonna have to get off the gas? Or you think he gonna be able to just stomp it and go all the way down the track without no mess? You think okay, that means you bet no full pass. Okay, they said look at it. He said he finna mess up because the car got a little smoke. Look. So y'all saying no full pass? No full pass? No full. Okay, no full. Oh, you saying full? Y'all saying no full pass or full pass? Okay. We finna see. Okay, we about to see, y'all. Okay, follow me on TikTok. Yeah, I'm on YouTube and everything. Yeah, we finna see. I see your money. I see your money. Okay, you gonna call me? Okay. She done got my phone number, y'all. See? You said he wasn't gonna make no full pass. I ain't bet you. I'm saying he ain't gonna make a full pass either. No, he ain't. No, he ain't gonna make. Look, y'all, he think I owe him now, y'all. I'm trying to bet. God damn. Hey, I'm saying he not gonna make a full pass either. You the one told me it's smoking. I'm listening to you. Look. So you saying you think he gonna make a full pass this time? No. Okay, well bet him. You bet him. He said he is gonna make a full pass. Come on. Oh, what are you doing with that tongue? Okay. Okay, you ain't in it? Okay. Oh, your mama is? Okay. Let me see if he gonna make a full pass this time, y'all.